Did I say she was ugly?
No, Kat thinks we're a perfect couple.
Kat, are Jade and I a perfect couple?
Don't answer that!
Answer it!
Say nothing!
Come on!
You come on!
Well, you made Kat faint.
I'm late for class.
Hey, Luther, somebody spilled a soda on the floor in the gym, and I...
It too! Oh, no! The pizza! Hey, help her up, would you?
What happened? You fainted. I'm gonna faint!
You're not gonna faint!
Are you sure? Wasn't ever get really scared?
All right, I'll save your life. But you're buying me a new burrito. Hey, did you forget to take your special vitamins today?
Yes, you know what? I think I did. Why don't you go to the drugstore and get me some more? Because I must be running out or something. What? I'm speaking!
There's a girl behind you. Hey. Hey.
I'll save him!
No, that's what we're... No!
Summer.